perfect.
Not overly sensitive, but not hard. Great sense. I think she's good at basic. So, and she's constantly doing it. She just comes to your eye. She doesn't bounce around. I love her little can. Her owner says that it's a rocking horse. She's got her lead changes, but she does need to be down for them. And she does get them automatically. Probably straight. And she'll canter on the train.
Watch Alexis. Pay attention, Alexis.
Stop. Gosh. There's some benches over there that it might be hard to see.
Oh, we're all right.
Good.
Distracted the pony too. I know. Look at that cute goat over there. Sorry, Puppy Dog, you don't stand a chance. That goat's way too cute.
Yeah, that Camaro's pregnant.
Oh no. More Jack Russell puppies.
More Jack Russells.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, is it a Gracie screamer?
No, Gracie is way more like. Does it scream a lot to its friends?
Not a lot. Emma does, and if Emma starts, then so will she.
Okay.
Don't worry, I've got a barn full of screamers, so it's just one of those things.
Goat, what are you doing? She's squaring up really nice.
Yeah, she's cute, huh? Does she do a lead change? Kinda, sorta?
Sort of. A little bit. When she's more up.
Breeders are their own niche.
Yeah.
They're their own breed, no pun intended. It's so funny, I've been seeing Adele on Buddy lately, so now she looks like massively huge. Please stop texting me. All right, go ahead and let her canter a little bit, kiddo. Yeah, I love it.
A little lazy
My
there.
extended trot.
What are you saying? Nah, you're not. You're not. You don't want to do that. Nah, no, that's not what.
Come on, just grab your mane and kick it like a little kid.
Just keep kicking. Just keep.
Did you hear it, canter?
What I'm trying to. I feel your pain.
Come on.
Oh, look at that. That was
I
beautiful.
missed it.
It cantered right from the walk. Don't worry, you get to see it again.
Allie's like,
It-
no.
it did, it went right up from the
you're-
walk.
No, that's not what you want.
It's a little
Can't
extra
be.
effort.
It's too much work involved. I might have to.
There you go, whack it with the stick on the shoulder, see what it does.
She's like, oh.
All right, you asked.
All right, why don't you
Basically, I'm
hit her with a stick? Hit her with a stick. There we go. Hit her with a stick again.
hit.
Keep hitting her with a stick. There we go. Come on, ride her like a little kid. Flap your arms at it like a duck. There you go. Oh, yep. Oh, our 8-year-olds are good at that. That's for sure.
Basically, I'd check you out. She likes to drop the ponies off most of the time.
Oh, yeah,
so she
no,
can
that's
see
not-
Oh, that's
them.
fine. No,
She
no, no.
just
We,
wants to know where it's going. Are you close?
as long as she's
You
not
know,
going to do like the
can you
surprise stop by
afford
for the next 5
pony?
years.
I'm gonna make sure it's gonna.
All
Maybe my
right.
helmet will fit your head. I don't know. Got
Hers will.
it. Okay.
I've been stealing hers.
There you go. Grab me in like a little kid.
Grab her ears. We do that stuff here.
Oh yeah, no, don't worry.
We I put my lead here.
Fun too.
And I just turn them loose.
Turn her around and bring her back the other way. Try to make her canter in between.
And it only paces.
Oh my gosh.
We can.
Canter, canter, kick, 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 kick. Go, bunny, go. Perfect.
Oh. But she's comfy. I love how she just perks those ears and just.
It trots really cute.
Oh.
No, do I have to?
I like the bits. Everyone that comes in today is sorry. There's a hole in my butt.
I haven't gotten a chance to change.
Yep.
It's good. It'll make them strong.
That's what you want. Nice strong legs for those little kids.
Gonna beat Cowboy in the flat class, that's for sure. She's just smiling. She's like, I'm good.
Oops.
I have one speed. This is it. Okay, let's go the other way. Alexa's like, I'm tired now. Pretty much.
Just swing the curve.
She's like, do you have a cookie? You look like you have a cookie.
Oh god, please.
Do we go in the middle and stand? Is that what we're supposed to do? I think that's a good plan.
Hi, puppy dog. Oh, mom, mom.
Oh, good.
And how tall is it?
13-1.
Perfect.
We have a
It's got a pony card or no? Not
No,
yet.
I'm getting ready to take her to get one.
Gotcha.
We haven't been in the A shows this year. And the measurement